was boosted by China's Long March 4B carrier rocket. According to authorities, the observation satellite is able to take photos with a definition for 1 square meter object from 630 kilometers away in full color, almost double the definition of the previously launched Gaofen 1. It will be used for geographic and resources surveys, environment and climate change monitoring, precision agriculture, disaster relief and city planning. Now for an update on the Ebola outbreak. Officials in Nigeria and Guinea have said they are taking all precautions necessary to prevent the spread of the virus. Nigeria's health commissioner said on Monday that